Hi, I'm Matthew from the Windows Club. If you find it difficult to try separating the fixes for Windows-related problems, please consider using the FixWin tool, which is an amazing software to resolve system-related problems with the press of a button. To download the FixWin software, simply scroll down through this article and click on the Download button. It's free of cost. The welcome page of the FixWin software shows buttons for well-known procedures like SFC scan, system restore, etc. Simply click the button to invoke the mentioned action. After this, we start with the fixes. The first set of fixes is for File Explorer. In this list, you'll notice fixes like recycle bin icon is missing from desktop, thumbnails not showing in File Explorer, etc. Simply click on the Fix button corresponding to the problem or error you are facing. The second set of fixes is for issues related to Internet and connectivity. Here you will notice a list of errors and problems related to the Internet, for example, browser-related issues, and those with DNS. Again, clicking the Fix button will fix the problem instantly. If the problem you are facing is relating to the system, then the System Fixes tabs will be helpful. You'll be able to fix issues related to Windows updates and the Microsoft Store with the click of a button. The Systems Tools tab helps you fix problems related to the Registry Editor, Group Policy Editor, Command Prompt, etc. with a simple press of the button. In the Advanced System Information tab, you can check the details of your system's configuration, like the number of cores, clock speed, etc. If you wish to run System Troubleshooters, try the Troubleshooters tab. Interestingly, it has more troubleshooters than the ones already present in your computer. As an example, you won't find the Hardware and Devices troubleshooter in your system settings. However, you will find it in this list. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.